If you can stay with me for the next 10 minutes, I will show you how you can earn up to 3,000 naira and above in Nigeria daily. This is 350, this is 35 naira, this is 350, this is 35 naira, this is 15 naira, and if you scroll down, you will see a lot of, even this is 2,000 naira, this is 7,500 naira, this is 5,500 naira. So we have different types of tasks you can do on this platform and earn money. Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. My name is Miracle. I create content on how you can earn money online on cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and various ways on how you can earn money online. You can also watch my previous videos and check any of the videos on how you can earn money online. So if you are new to this channel, if you are first time on this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will not miss out and you'll be notified on time. For today's video, you can check on the description button here and click on this link. So when you click on this link, it will direct you to this page. Now, this is a company whereby you can do a lot of different tasks and earn money online. Don't forget to stay with me and I will show you how exactly I do this and how much I have earned so far and how to do the registration. This company has been around over 1 year and they are almost in over 10 countries and they are very legit and they are paying their members. So there are different ways on how you can earn money on this platform. It's either you register as a member or as an affiliate. So if you register as a member, you have daily tasks to do and you earn you money online. And if you register as an affiliate, you can promote their products. You can also do some daily tasks and earn money online. So when you click on that link, make sure it brings out you have been invited by Oshanaiye Iyanuoluwa. When it brings that, make sure you click on become a membership. Now when you click on become a membership, it will direct you to this page. Make sure you fill your full name, your real name, your username, your email address, put in your password, your phone number, your sex, your country. As you can see, I select Nigeria, date of birth, your state of origin, your bank name, your account name, and account number. So after that, you click on submit and register. So after that, you will need to log into your Gmail account and verify your account. So this is my Gmail. You click on verify, click here to verify your email account. So when you are done with the verification, you will need to pay some certain amount of money in order for you to have access to this website. Now you will need to log into your account, and when you log in, it will bring your name and you will need to pay a token of 3,000 naira or 10,000 naira to be a membership of this platform. Now this platform, it is not an investment platform. It is a platform whereby you will register and earn some daily money online. You are going to pay for this money and register as a member and work and earn money online. So you can start with this 3,000 naira or this 13,000 naira. Now this membership is divided into two. If you want to earn money by just doing some daily tasks on this platform, you can register for this 3,000 naira. And if you want to earn above 7,000 naira, even above 10,000 naira, if you want to work as an affiliate on this company, you can register for this 13,000 naira. So they will give you some products. You can post the product on your links, on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, and if anybody buy this product, you earn a huge amount of money from it. But if you don't have money, if you don't have up to 13,000 naira, you can register this and do some daily tasks and still earn your 3,000 naira daily on this platform. So the next thing is to select your payment gateway. You can select Paystack and click on sign up for beginner, sign up for membership 3,000 naira. So when you click on it, it will direct you to the payment gateway. So on this platform, it's very safe and it's secured. You can also do your research on it, but they are really paying, and I will show you how much I have earned so far on this platform. Now, the amount you're about to pay here is 3,100 naira, and you put in your card details here and click on make payment. So when you pay, you need to log in to your dashboard. Now I have completely done this, and I have to log into my dashboard to show you how you can perform your daily tasks. When you log in like this, you have to click on jobs and click on available jobs. When you click on available jobs, you see the available jobs you can do. These are the tasks you can do on this platform to earn money. Look at this. This is the first tax that is given to you. When you do this tax, you earn 350 naira. Now let me try and register and do this tax. Look at this. If you do this again, you earn 350. If you do this YouTube job, you earn 15 naira. Now let me just try this YouTube job. If you want to do any job, you click on apply. So when you apply, it will bring out this page. So when you do this job, you earn 15 naira for it, just 15 naira. Now there are some instructions here. You have to follow the instructions, and you submit tax proof. So when you submit your tax proof and you submit, when you submit the proof, it's within 24 hours they will approve this job, and you will earn your commission. You see your commission right here. Now, proof needed for employment. Okay, drop screenshot. These are the proof needed for the employment. So they are asking for proof so that they will know that this job has completely done. So you just type in the screenshots. When you screenshot, you come here, insert image, and insert the image. So when you are done, some also request for your username, maybe your YouTube username. You can type it and send the screenshots. When you send the screenshots, you will submit proof. So you will have to wait for some few hours for the job to be done. Now let me click on another one. When you are done with that, you can also do another one. This one is 350. When you click on it, you will read the instructions. When you are done with the instructions, you will submit your proof and earn money on this platform. Now look at this. This tax is just 350. When you do this tax, maybe 350 multiplied by, when you do 20 of this daily, that's 7,000 naira. 7,000 naira on a daily basis. And this platform, they pay every Friday. So you can still do this week and earn money on Friday and withdraw on Friday. So the tax on this job, on this website, it is daily. So, and it is unlimited. It depends on your availability. So if you have enough time, you can even earn more than 7,000 naira on this platform. That is the first way on how you can earn on this platform. The second way is by referring people to register with your referral link. When you refer people, you can click on this invite. When you click on this invite, you will be able to copy your referral link. So when you invite people, they will also pay you for that. And if any of your friends register for 3,000 naira, they will give you 1,600 naira on each referral. If any of your friends register for 13,000 naira, they will give you 3,000 naira on each referral. So these are the various ways on how you can earn money as a membership of 3,000 naira. If you register as a membership of 13,000 naira, you have access to their marketplace, whereby you promote products and earn huge amounts of money. I have many people that are doing this, that are earning a lot of money. Some have earned over 2 million naira on this platform. This platform has been around for over 1 year, and they have not disappointed us, and they are working perfectly. Now I have once withdraw on this platform, and the remaining left balance here is 275 naira I currently have. So if you want to withdraw, you kindly click on wallet and click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you will put in the amount you want to withdraw, and the money will be sent to you on Friday. So every Friday, I usually pay their members on this platform. The most amazing thing that is on this platform is that you can also post a job. If you want some people to do some daily tasks for you. You can also post a job. When you click on post a job, you click on the type of job you want people to do for you, and people will execute the job on your behalf, and you also pay them for doing that. So they have a lot of jobs you can ask people to do for you on this platform. So you just have to set it on, and when you are done, you will fund your account and people will get paid. So this is how you can earn money on this platform. Now, if you find value at the end of this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out when I upload a new video like this. Make sure you also like this video and share to your friends. On this note, I will say goodbye and see you in my next video.